Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So today's video is very excited. So I'll unbox the Razer KISHI Universal Gaming Controller. And this one is especially made for the iPhone. I know there are other gaming controllers like the Backbone. I wasn't able to order that because I live in Holland, and every time I search for a Backbone controller, I get the Razer KISHI Universal Gaming Controller. So I just went ahead and ordered that. And I thought to give you a glimpse on how this bad boy looks like. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So obviously what we have here is the Razer KISHI Universal Gaming Controller, and it's especially made for iPhone. If we turn the box on the back, we get some more information about how the ergonomic design. So I guess this one claps open. Yeah, you can, as you are on the go, you can just put it on your back and forget about it. It has a clickable analog and a thumbsticks, actually two thumbsticks. It's cloud gaming compatible. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. And there we have it. It's actually something I anticipated from all those pictures. So this is the actual game controller. And if we put that on the side, we have here the cables, I guess. It's actually just one thing inside, and it's not a cable, so we don't get any cable inside this box. I believe you don't have to charge it. It goes directly to your iPhone, or it connects directly to your iPhone, and that way it gets its lightning from the iPhone. But if we just unbox this thing, I guess this is something that you could put on the side just to have a better grip. But you can hold me on that because I'll just test it out in a second. So I'll put that on the side. Also, what we have here is some paperwork that's just behind this plastic thing, so I'll just leave it there. And also, what I find very interesting, they made this 3 dots in here that are, yeah, it's just a little detail that they are putting in their box just to remind you of the clickable buttons of that game control, I guess. But it's something very thoughtful. I like that. I very like that. So let's go back and check out the actual game controller. It's, yeah, if you are, like I said, if you are on the go or you have a backpack, you can just easily slip it on your backpack without even thinking about it, how small it is. And I'll guess it will expand once I attach it to my iPhone. So before I do that, I just have to unveil this sticky thing. And there was on the back also another sticky thing. So if I just unveil that, and there we have it. So if you look closely, you see here the Razer logo that's just very subtle, and I like that little detail that you have a logo in there, but it's not like I'm here, I'm the logo of this controller. It's just like in there, but you can't see it. Just you have to look closely to it. So it's a little detail over there that I very like. Yeah, furthermore, the buttons are very clickable, which is something they did on intention, I guess. Because hey, if you come from an iPhone where there's nothing clickable and you attach this to your iPhone, all of a sudden you have this massive control over your gameplay. So that's something I do like. And I guess if you just click here on the back, you can that way expand it. And all of a sudden we have this structure in here it's not solid for the moment because it's not attached to the iPhone. But hey, that way you can just expand it and put it back to each other, just to have room for traveling, or yeah, like I said, put it on your backpack without thinking about it. So let's put this one in here. So let's go ahead and put this iPhone to the controller. Obviously, I need to remove my case before I can put the iPhone into the controller. So I'll just do that. And now I believe I need to put this one in here first, just to have it charged. And then I can expand it, and there you go. It's actually very easy to set up. It didn't take me even 30 seconds to do that. So what you need to do is first put your iPhone in a controller from its charging side, and after that you need to put it on the other side. And this is how it looks. It looks gigantic, if you ask me. All of a sudden I have this transformer in here, but it looks very great. So what we have here is some dots from which we can tell that it's connected. Furthermore, what we have here is the charging port. So let me unveil that. And what we see here is a type C connector. So we don't get any charging cable with the controller, which is a con, if you ask me. They would have done a great job to just put a cable in there, a part C cable. And since I'm having somewhere a part C cable laying around, I'll just go ahead and grab one just to check if that one will fit in the way I think. So let's go ahead and take that controller out of here. I've got a Pixel laying around, and I believe the Pixel uses a type C connector, which is the case. So I'll just grab one and take it out of it. And just to demonstrate for you guys if that port will fit in with a type C connector, I'll just, oh, that's actually, so it's not even a type C connector that goes in here. Just out of the port shape, I guess what goes in here, and that's obviously, that should be the lightning port. So let's go ahead and grab that one. And there you go. Okay, so I should have known that because this one is made for the iPhone, so it should be the lightning port. So no type C, you don't have to grab your type C connector. Just grab your lightning port from your iPhone charger and you're good to go. So I believe if you just put it in there and charge it at the same time, like I will do, like I'll demonstrate for you guys. And just like that, we have our iPhone charging. So yeah, that's very thoughtful. You don't get a lightning connector, obviously, but hey, you have a lightning port, which they assume you have anyway, because if you have an iPhone, you should have a lightning port. So I've downloaded Call of Duty just to demonstrate for you guys if this goes very well, what the gameplay is like and how it feels like and what my thoughts about it is. So we are on a yacht, and since everyone is trying this controller with Call of Duty, since everyone's trying this controller with Call of Duty, I'll go ahead and do the same. And if you ask me, the way it behaves, it's actually very great, if you ask me. Oh, okay, so all of a sudden I got a headshot over there. So let me, okay, so that one, so there was, okay, I'm now invisible, so let me just go and find as many. Yeah, so my first thought, just right out of the bat, I can tell that this controller You have full control over the gameplay instead of using this analog in here. You can just use it with the actual buttons, which is something I do like. Okay, so there was like an enemy over there. Oh, he should somewhere be behind. Okay, let me just reload. Oh, okay, I killed him. Oh, that's actually, I didn't expect that. So let's, yeah, just overall this thing in here, just Razer gaming controller is actually very great. It cost me like 100 euros, just over 100 euros, and I would definitely recommend it. Even though, yeah, okay, so I'm dead over there. I can play and talk at the same time. I'm not that great of a gamer. Oh, so I got. Oh, that's actually very funny. So I'm not that great of a gamer. But overall, the buttons feel very nice. The analog is also very nice. They would have made a greater job if they put the analog somewhere above. But yeah, then again, you would have to. It doesn't go intuitively, I guess. Um, um, there's some travel in there, some click travel, and no, I definitely would recommend this Razer gaming controller. So if you have $100 to spare and you are a gamer, just go and invest it in this one. You will not regret it at all. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, like always, leave them in the comment section below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That helps me a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.